Release the power! I think it needs some lubrication. I think there's supposed to be oil in the engine. I'm not really sure. I can confirm that. Also, you see this shittiness right here. Fuck you. Fuck you! And this one popped off, so fuck that. And fuck all this. Other than that, minor, very minor separation. I think this is where... Oh, wait. Oh, it is shifted, isn't it? Okay, so I think my theory here is that sometime during the night, a book fell off my shelf and onto the desk where my printer is sitting, and it caused some serious vibration. It also broke my webcam mount off the printer. Somehow did not hit the printer at all, which is amazing to me. But it sort of functions. Maybe I'll reprint the engine block one of these days when I have 33 hours to print something. But it looks cool. I like the black and red. I dig the color scheme here. So, yeah, it's not perfect, but at least the crankshaft is good. I've got some screws coming so I can attach a crank to this and actually turn it properly. But other than that, it's kind of cool.